All right, guys, I'm going to be going through the lesson 4 problem set with you. As you can see, I labeled my place value chart already just to save some time. Remember, when you label this, start at the right side at ones and just go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Okay? Always start at this end. All right, so today we're going to be writing numbers in standard form, word form, and expanded form. So standard form is always just the number. So this is standard form. So they want us to, on the place value chart below, label the units and represent the number 90,523. Okay, so 90,000. So the 9 is in the 10,000s place value. You can count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're starting here. 9, 0. Comma would be right there. 523. Okay, so that's how we would write it on there. Write the number in word form. So word form is exactly how you say the word. Exactly. You write every word down you would say if you said this number. So remember, a number like this, when you say this number, you say the number that's before the comma, 90. The comma says 1,000, 90,000, and then you just say the number after, 523. So we're going to write 90,000, comma, 523. Okay, just writing out every single word we say when we say this number. That's a word form. All words, no numbers. All right, write the number in expanded form. Now, expanded form means we take each digit and write down the value of each digit and add them together in a addition sentence. So the 9 is in the 10,000 spot, so that would be 90,000 plus the 1,000 spot as a 0, so that's nothing. We'll skip that. There are 500s, so that's 500 plus there are 2 tens. 2 tens is 20 plus, and then in the ones place we have 3 ones, so that would be 3. Okay, so 90,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3, that is, we have expanded it out in each place value, the value of each place value. All right, let's go to the next one. On the place value chart below, so same exact thing, 905,000, that's the comma says 1,000, 203. So this is 6 digits, so counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 9 is in the 100,000 spot. 905,203. Okay. Write the number in word form. So exactly how I would say it. 905. I'm going to write that down. 905. The comma says 1,000. So 905,000. And then the number after, 203. 203. It's that simple, guys. All right. Write the number in expanded form. All right, so the 9 here is in the 100,000s place, so that's 900,000. Basically, you just write the number and then all zeros after it. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after. Okay. Nothing in the 10,000s. So plus, in the thousands we have 5. So 5, 0, 0, 0 is what we're going to write. Plus 2 in the hundreds. So 200. 0 in the tens, 3 in the ones. Okay. So that's what it should look like at this point. Let's flip to the back. Complete the following chart. All right, so now we have standard form in this column, word form in this column, expanded form in this column. So we're doing basically the same thing as we did before, but now they give us different starting points. So here we're starting with word form. So we have to read this number and figure out how we're going to write this in standard form and in expanded form. So I would start with standard form. So 2,000. Remember, 2, when we see the word thousand, that means comma. So 2 comma, 2,000, and then we'd have 480, right? So write down 480. Simple enough, 2,480. So in expanded form, we're going to take each of those digits. So there's 2 in the thousands place. So 2,000 plus 4 in the hundreds place, that's 400. Plus 8 in the tens place, that's 80. And then there's nothing in the ones place. So we can just leave that blank. All right, next boxes. We have just the expanded form. Okay, so 20,000, so 2 in the 10,000 spot. So let's start with a 2. We have nothing in the thousand spot. Okay, it goes straight to the hundreds. So 0, comma, 482. 20,482. That's how we say it, right? 20,000, the comma's 1,000, 20,482. Okay? 20,482. Next box is, they're starting us off in word form again. So 64, I'm going to write 64. 1,000, that's our cue to put a comma. 106, 106. Okay? 64,106. So let's write that in expanded form. We have a 6 in the 10,000s place. So that's 60,000 plus a 4 in the thousands place, 4,000, plus a 1 in the hundreds place, 100, and then just a 6 in the ones. 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 6 would equal 64,106. All right, let's look at the next one. They just give us standard form on the next two. So we got to fill in word form and expanded form. All right, so let's read this. 604, comma says 1,000, 604,016. Okay, 604,000. I'm going to try to squeeze it in there. 604,016. Okay. And then we're going to write that in expanded form. So in the 100,000 spot, we have a 6. So that's a 6 with, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after it. Plus, nothing in the 10,000s, 4 in the thousands, so 4,000, plus, nothing in the hundreds, 1 in the 10s, so 10, and then 6 in the ones, 6. Sorry, you couldn't see that. So I wrote 600,000 plus 4,000 plus 10 plus 6. Yep. Okay, last one in this box, 960,060. 960, you say this first, then you say the comma, then you say the last part. So 960. 960,060. Okay. And then expanded form, so we have a 9 in the 100,000 spot, so 900,000 plus 6 in the 10,000s plus 60,000. Nothing in the 1,000, nothing in the hundreds, nothing in the ones, just a 6 in the tens. That would be 60 plus 60. All right. Okay, last one. I believe that's the last one, right? Yeah, that's homework. Okay, just making sure. Black rhinos are endangered with only 4,400 left in the world. Timothy read that number as 4,400. His father read the number as 4,400. Who read the number correctly? Use pictures, numbers, or words to explain your answer. So there are a number of ways to explain this, but first let's think about this. If I read this number, 4, comma means 1,000, 400, 4,400. So did Timothy read it right as 4,400? Yeah, that's correct. Now what about his father? He read it as 4,400. Well, could that be another way of saying this? Because if you take each 1,000 in the 4,000s could be turned into 10 hundreds, right? So that could be 4,000 is the same as 40 hundreds. So 44 and the 2 zeros would say hundreds. 44 hundreds, that's another way of saying this number. So technically they're both correct. Okay, so I would say maybe we could show this in a well, that would take some time. I was going to say we could put it in a place value chart, and if we did really quickly, 44000, no matter how you say it, 4,400 or 4,400, it's going to be the same either way. It's going to be the same number if you say 4,400 or 4,400. So they are the same. And you can explain how I have to turn this off soon because I have to keep these videos under 15 minutes to be able to upload them on YouTube. But you could explain how 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. So 4,000 would be 40 hundreds plus the other 400 is the same as 4,400. So you could explain that down here. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.